Hello, friends. Welcome to my math lesson for today. So this lesson is going to be reviewing all the things that we learned about in this unit. So this is the last lesson of Unit 4, which is finding part, whole relationships for numbers up to 10. All right, so today we are going to practice making two parts. So there's going to be a part up here and a part here. And then we will make the number sentences and number bonds down here. Okay, so you can do this at home too. Get this. All right. And you can use your own counters and make your own number bonds and number sentences. So I'm going to roll my dice, and I rolled what number? 4. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, oops, 4. So 4 are in one group. How many are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write our number sentences. Okay, so first we need to make, if we want to make an addition sentence, like if we had a story, there were 6 boys and 4 girls. How many children were there altogether? So I would put 6 plus 4 equals how many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what if I wanted to make a subtraction sentence? Okay, so there were 10 children. 4 girls went away. How many boys are there? So we're going to pretend that those are away. So how many? So 10 minus 4 equals 6. And we can make our number bond. So we have 10. And then we have 6 and 4. All right, let's try another one. So I'm going to put my 4 counters back up here. Okay. All right, so now let me get my die. I'm going to roll it again. All right, what number did I roll? 1. So I'm going to put 1 down there. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many? 1. Very good. So there were 9 cats and 1 dog. How many animals were there? Let's see. So we have 9 plus 1 more. equals 10. Very good. Now, if we wanted to know how many, let's see, how many cats there were, then we would subtract 1 from 10. So we would have 10 animals, but I want to know how many cats. So I need to subtract the 1 dog. And how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, we can make our number bond. So in our number bond, we have 10. And what are our parts? 9 and 1. Very good. Okay. Now, all right, so now I'm going to move some to this part here. Okay, so we're going to count how many are here and figure out how many more we need to make 10. Okay, ready? All right. All right, so I'm going to cover, let's see, I'll take these off. So now I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to find out how many more I need to make 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 more to make 10. So I'm going to make my addition sentence. 5, because there's 5 here, and 5 equals 10. All right, so now if I want to only find out how many is in one group, I take 10 minus 5 equals 5. And then let's make our number bond to show the parts and the whole. The whole is 10. And the parts are 5 and 5. Very good. Okay. And let's try one more of those. Okay, so let's try one more of those. So if I want, let's see, if I'm going to, okay. So how many do I have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to add some more to make 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I add? 3. So I'm going to make my number sentence. 7 and 3 equals 10. Okay, now I'm going to make a subtraction sentence. So if I didn't If I wanted to know how many were in this group, then I'm going to subtract the other part. So I'm going to have 10. So I want to know how many are here. Okay, so I have 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals how many? 3. Very good. Okay, and we're going to do one more thing to review. So do you remember when we added 1 to different numbers? So I'm going to put a number, an amount of counters on the board, and we're going to add 1, okay? So we have how many? 3. Add 1. How many are there? So we have 3 red plus 1 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. Now let's try another number. Let's see. Okay, so how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 1. How many are there now? 5, and 1 more is 6. So 5 and 1 is 6. Very good. All right, let's try one more of those. Okay. Erase this. Okay, so now, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 more. So 8 and 1 more equals 9. Very good. So when you add 1 more, you just count to the next number. All right, boys and girls. Well, that is it for part, whole. And next week we will learn something new. All right, well, I will see you again next time. Goodbye.